Friday, the 24th of March.
Okay, we can finally announce tidiest class for week 7. Drum roll please for
Rooms 7, 8 and 10.
Ooh, it's getting close. Keep your classes tidy. Pizza lunch rules for someone next week.
Okay, sports news. Have a Go Cricket is back on for you 1, 2,
4.
All Guptills and Boults meet outside room 11 at 12:45.
And still a few more items of sports gear being left out at the end of lunch and playtimes.
Please return all equipment to the trolleys. Kia ora.
Okay, on to Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is tai hora, which is te reo for hang on.
As in, te hora kare.
Hang on, mate. Ka pai, HI VIZ Vests. Nearly all students are now wearing their HI VIZ Vests. Remember, every day to and from school.
Library news. Remember, Friday is dress up day. Book fair is open after school all week long.
Today's book fair activities in the library are for year 4, 5 and 6 students, starting at 12:40. Kia ora.
Inter-house Mega Maths Challenge. Year 3 to 4 finals today in the hall at 12:40. Bring a pencil.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo!